Hello, girls. Good afternoon. Yeah, this is our 11th lecture of Digital Circuit and Fundamental of Microprocessor. Last lecture we have seen the combinational. We have started the combinational circuit. Last two lecture. First we had seen in a arithmetic, adder, subtractor, multiplier, and comparator. Second lecture we are seeing the data handling, that is the multiplexer and demultiplexer. Right? Now, in this lecture, we are going to cover the encoding, encoders, and decoders. What do you mean by the encoder, decoder? What are the applications of encoder and decoder? As we know that the multiplexer, last lecture we have seen, in multiplexer, when we give one input, that will be multiplied output, right? So we have seen 1 is to 2 multiplexer, 1 into 4 multiplexer, 1 into 8 multiplexer, 1 into 16 multiplexer, 1 into 32 in multiplexer. Even whatever the output of the multiplexer, 1 is to n number of, that we can design by using the other multiplexer. For example, if we want the multiplexer 1 is to 4, but we have a available of 1 is to 2. So we can design a multiplexer for the output of 1 is to 4 by using 2 is to 1 multiplexer that we have seen in the last lecture. Same as demultiplexer means what? N number of inputs are coming and it gives single output. That is 4 is to 1, 4 is to 2 is to 1, 8 is to 1, 16 is to 1, 32 is to 1. So this way we use the demultiplexer. Only one input, n number of inputs are there, only one output. Now, encoder and decoder. This is also the similar concept, but where we use the encoder and where we use the decoder, they have the different kind of applications in encoder and decoder. Right? These are the security purpose we use the encoder and decoder in digital communications. For example, we use the email, banking, and all, and we put our passwords. So when we put the password, so is it that the same password it's travel into the network? No, it encodes. It encodes means it will add the codes over there, which no, if a hacker is there, it will not understand what is a password exactly. So that password is encoded and that will transfer through the network. At the end, that password gets decoded means they have some terminology and technology. The password is decoded, right? Some of the time is what we have seen the coding number, that gray code, binary code, bcd code, access code. So all these coding are the type of encoded, right? It's decode. They use the same process to decode the password. So there we use the encoder and decoder for the security purpose, right? Now we'll see what is the encoder. Now encoder. An encoder is a combinational circuit, right? All these are comes into the combinational circuit that performs the reserve operation of decoder. It has maximum of 2 is to n input line, 2 is to n input line, and n output line, right? Suppose 2 is to 2 means equals to 4. So the 4 is a input line, but the n is to 2 is a output line, right? So it provides the binary code equivalent to the input, which is active high, and therefore encoder encodes 2 is to n input lines with n bit. It is optional to represent enable signals in encoder. It is optional if you want. If you have a three encoders there, so at a time one encoder can be enabled. So you have, this is the optional signals for the encoder, right? There is a encoder enable and disable also, right? But if you required in your designing, one encoder should be enable. If you are using multiple encoder, then you have to use the enable signal, because at the same time only one encoder should be enabled. This is the example of 4 is to 2 encoder. Let 4 to 2 encoder has 4 inputs: y1, y2, y1, y0, y1, y2, and y3, right? And the two in outputs a0, a1. The block diagram of 2 is to 1, 4 is to 1 encoder is shown this way. At the time only of these four inputs can be one, in order to give the respective binary code at the output. The truth table is there. Suppose all the lines are 1. So the output of A0 and A1 will give you the 1. We'll see the truth table. Now these are the all input lines: y0, y1, y2, y3, right? If y0 is 1, that means your a0 and a1 is 0, 0, right? If y1 is 1, so your a1 and a0 is 0, 1. Suppose y2 is 1. So now here those are highlighted that are set to 1. Rest all are set to 0. If y2, that means it is your 1 0, and y3 is 1 1. Now if we put this into our truth table or KMAP. This input A1, this is the output, and A2, right? Suppose I'm putting this 0011 into our KMAP that has a Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0. What will get the answer? Rest all are 0. A1 is equals to Y3 plus Y2, right? Y3 and Y2, and a2 will, 0 will get y0, a0 will get y1 and y3, y1 and y3. Baki rest all are 0. These two are 0, these are 1. These two 1 we will consider y2 and y3, y2 plus y3. This is 1 means y1, and this is 1 means y3. So what is our a1 is y3 plus y2, a2 a0 is y3 plus y1. So how we will draw? This is OR gate. This is OR gate. There are three inputs: y1, y2, y3. y1 plus y3 ORing, you will get a0. y3 and y2 is ORing, you will get a1. So that's simple. With this you will get, and y0 there is no input is there. That is the input, but it will not into the consideration, because if you are giving a y1 is 1 or 0, your a1 a0 is 0 only, right? So this is the design of decoder. Nowadays this is the uh, and gate circuit, but nowadays it comes the ICs of decoder and encoder. Similar kind we'll see the octal, 8 inputs. So 8 inputs means y0 to y7. And how much output we will get? 8 input. 2 to the power n is equals to 8. So 8 is n is equals to 3. So 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. So the 3 will be the output. That 3 will be the output means that is A0, A1, A2. Right? So octal means 8 inputs are there, and the three inputs are output. So this binary encoder is called as 8 is to 2 encoder. 8 is to 2 encoder. At a time only one output is 1. So according to that, their condition, suppose y1 is 1 and rest all are 0, that means your a0, a1, a2 is all 0, right? Suppose y1 is high 1, rest all are 0. So what is your a0, a1, a2? This is 0, 0, 1, 1, y1. So this bit will be a 1. Suppose your y2 is 1, rest all are 0. So what is your y2 output, a2 output? 0, 1, 0. Rest all are 0. We can see the truth table also. 8 is to 3 decoder. Now this is the truth table of 8 is to 3 decoder. These are input y7, y6, y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, and y0. And these are the output a2, a1, a0. Clear? Now, suppose in first case my y0 is activated and all the inputs are deactivated. What do you mean by that? That means my a0, a1, a2, a0, a1, a2 is 0, right? Suppose my y1 is activated, rest all are 0. That means my 1, a0 is 1, rest 2 are 1. Suppose my y2 is activated and rest all are deactivated pin. Rest all inputs are D. That means 0, 1, 0. It's a 2. It's 3. It's 4. It's 5. It's 6. And is 7. If all my outputs are 1, 1, 1, that means my Y7 pin will activated, right? If we put this into the K map, what we'll get? A2, we'll see that A2, now see, all are 0. Now this is my 1. What we'll get? Y4 plus, this is 1, y5 plus, this is 1, y6 plus, this is 1, y7. So a2 is equals to y4 plus y5 plus y6 plus y7, right? A1 is equals to y2 plus y3 plus y6 plus y7. Clear? A0 is equals to y1, y3, y5 and y7, right? This is the y7. So if we'll write this equation, see here, the a2 is equals to y7, y6, y5, y4. A1 is equals to y7, y6, y3, y2. A0 is equals to y7, y5, y3, y1. And by using all this, we can draw this our encoder. This is 3 is to 1 encoder. This will function as a 3 is to 1 encoder, right? Now we'll see the example, what kind of example and where we use this encoder. Now this is the priority. Priority means what? If the digit is there, 11001100. Now if this digit 11001100, number of ones, there are 4 ones in this 8 bit, 11001100, right? That number of 4 ones is a 4. 4 is odd even number. So that parity of ones is even. The parity, that is called as parity in microprocessor. In most of the digital signal, it use the parity over there. We consider one more output V in order to know whether the code available at the output is valid or not valid, right? If at least one input of encoder 1, then the code available at output is valid 1. This is the condition. In this case, output V is equals to 1. If all the inputs of encoder is 0, then the code available at the output is not available on. These are the condition. In this case, output is 0, right? Now we'll see that these are four inputs: 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0 means output is 0. Now here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. Rest is all your don't care 0, right? Your output is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This can be a condition. You don't have any input over there, all are 0. So A0, A1 is 0. This can be a condition. One more, your output Y0 is 1, and then rest A0 and A1 is 0. This is Y1, so ye A0, A1 is 0, 1. Y2, this is 1, 0, and Y3, 1, 1. Now what is say that at least one of the input of the encoder is 1, right? So here is also the one input, here is also the one, here is also the here. So what is V is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now here we have a three output. V is equals to Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, right? A0 is equals to Y1 plus Y3, and A1 is equals to Y2 plus Y3, right? We'll see A1 is equals to Y2 plus Y3, A0 is equals to Y3. It puts into the this K map. What is the A1, and rest all are the don't care conditions. So these are the don't care condition. So this is Y2 and Y3. This is what? Y2 dash y plus y3, and v is equals to y3, y2, y1, y0. Now we design this circuit in this way. As you know how to design each and every equations for a0, a1, and v. So this kind of the example is asked. There gives the conditions. If your bit is, if any one of the input is 1, your output will be a 0, or any one of the input is 0, your output will be a 1. If there is a even priority parity, your output will be a 0. If it is a odd parity, your output will be a 1. Any kind of condition it gives, on that condition you have to find out the truth table on that condition and put it into the K map, find out the equation, and then design the circuits, right? Now, the next we'll see the decoder. Here we have seen the encoder, which has n number of input, and 2 is to n is input, so n is output. 2 is to n, 2 is to n is the input, so that n number of output will get. Now here the just reverse condition: 2 input, your output will be a 2 is to n. This demultiplexer is difference that only one input and n number of outputs is there: 4 output, 2 output, 8 output, 16. But here the multiples input and multiple output, but multiple inputs is depend upon the formula of 2 is to n number of input, and 2 is to n number of output is there. So decoder is a combinational circuit that has n inputs line, and maximum of 2 is to n output lines. Maximum of 2 is to n output line. Maximum 2 is to n output lines. One of these output will activated high based on the combinations of input present. One of the any one of the output will activated high on the base of this value of a0 a1, right? When the decoder is enabled, that means decoder detect a particular code. This is enable. Even encoder is also there, is also enable and disable. The output of decoder are nothing but the mean term of n input, right? 2 is to, this is the example of 2 is to 4 decoder. Let's 2 is to 4 decoder has two input lines and four output lines as shown into the block diagram. Now this is the enable. If enable is 0, so whatever the input in your uh, lines, so your output will be a 0. That's a first condition because it is not enabled your decoder. In decoder, enable is very important. Your decoder has to be enabled. So whatever the your a0 a1 signal, if enable is 0, your output will be a 0, whether it is 10 0 1 1 or whatever. But second condition, if enable is 1, then it will give the output according to the condition of a0 and a1. Suppose your enable is 1, your out inputs are 0 0. 0 0 means what? Y0 will activate. 0 1 means what? Your y2 will y1 will activate. 10 means what? Your y2 will activate. And 11 means what? Your y3 will activate. Now here these are the outputs. So your equation will be in terms of y3 equals to in terms of a0 a1 and enable. Now your y3 is equals to, if I'm seeing y3 this, so what is this here? A0 into a1 into e, right? Y2, your y2 is equals to a1 into e. Your y1, it is a0 into e, and your y0 is equals to only e, a complement a0 complement, right? So this is your equations for the output of your decoder. Now again the same things you can design by using a decoder. You need to do the practice, take the any equations and draw the logic diagram, means what are the gates you are going to use. Now here all are ending and, so here we'll use three input and gate. Now here the complement, so a0 signal will complement over there e and get. Here a1 signal will get complement here a1 and a0. So that logically you have to design your circuit, and this is the a0 complement a1 complement. Where we use the a0 complement a1 complement, you have to design the logic gates circuit by using your equations, right? And this is the enable equation e, right? E goes to everywhere. If E is equals to 1, so each and every AND gate is activated. Any one of the input is 0, your output will be a 0. So all the input should be a 1, then only you will get the output 1. So our aim into the decoder, your output, whichever the select of your input, your output will be a 1, and rest all our output will be a 0. Either one of your output, either y0 y1 y2 y3, only one output will be a 1 at the same time. Rest all are the 0, right? Now this is the second way. There is to design 3 is to 8 decoder by using 2 is to 4 decoder, as we have seen in a multiplexer and demultiplexer. Same. So there is a 8 output and the three inputs. So y0, y1, a0, a1 and a2, and this is the three input, and these are the eight outputs: y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Now this A0 is enable. If this is either this decoder will activated or this decoder will activated. On what's use of, if I'm writing a truth table binary code A0, A1, A2. So the most of first four MSB bit, my A0, A2 will be a zero. Right? If A2 will be a zero, so which my decoder, this decoder will on, because this is the A2 is 0, this is 1, this enable is 1. So this 2 is to 4 decoder will activated and this will deactivated. So whatever the value of A0, A1, I will get the output as according to that in this Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Right? Now the next bit is 4 onward. 4 is 11100, 5 is 101, 6 is 110, and 7 is 111. If A2 is 1, so now this is gets 0. So this decoder will deactivated and this decoder will activated. So whatever A0, A1, 0001100111 will use this decoder, and y2, y5, y6, y7 will activated. Either any of the one output will activated among all output on the condition of this a0, a1 and a2. Right? This is the second example. We can design the different kind of decoder by using a lowest version. This is the 4 is to 16 decoder by using 3 is to 8 decoder. Same concept has been used here what earlier example has used. Here the MSB is A3. It is going to enable either any one of the decoder at the same time. Either this 3 is to 1 decoder or this 3 is to 1 decoder. It is depend upon the condition of this. And now the what is the condition of this will depend upon that which of the output will selected by 1. Same as if A3 is 0, this decoder will activated, and any one of the output of Y8 to Y15 will depend upon A0, A1, A2 condition. So these are the examples. We can split, we can break, and we can use 3 is to 8 decoder by using to design a 4 is to 16 decoder. It's not compulsory that suppose we don't have a available of 4 is to 16 decoder, but we have a available 2 is to 4 decoder. So 4 5 4 decoders we can use to get the output of 4 is to 16 decoder. Right? Now these are the difference between the decoder. The parameter is input applied. Active input signal. Active means whatever the signals we have to send, it is encoded. Coded binary output. Decoders, what we'll get? It is a coded binary output. We decode there and then we'll give the output. Output generation code is generated here. There is the active signal is generated in decoder. Just encoder is reversely proportional to the decoder. The input lines are 2 is to n, output is n, and inputs line is n. Here the outputs line is n, inputs lines, output lines are 2 is to n. Right? So in decoder, encoder, your inputs lines are 2 is to n, output is n. Here just reverse, your input lines are n, output is 2 is to n. Operation simple in encoder. In decoder, it is bit complex. Logic gates its use, or here is used and not NAND and not. Right? applications for encoder, email, video, encoders, and decoder. It is a microprocessor memory chips where we are going to store the data. So these are the applications, right? Now these are the references we have used. And thank you. Girls, do you have any questions? You can ask me the questions right now. Hello.
हाँ मिस.
Ha, any questions, beta?
नो मिस.
Ha. Now your task is that you